he said to us, comrades, you must remember one thing, that hatred, bitterness and anger leads to self-destruction. Bitterness, hatred and anger almost destroyed a lot of us in South Africa, including me. Nelson Mandela was prepared to forgive those who wronged him. But some of us in South Africa, including me, are not yet able to say to them or to the world, we had forgiven them. Because during those years, we were filled with hatred, we were filled with bitterness and anger. But it's our wish and our hope that one day too, we will be able to say to those who wronged us, we had forgiven you. But then you must also remember that forgiveness is not a one-way road. Forgiveness is a two-way road. Two-way. Why did Tom Moses come back here? Tom Moses came back here to tell the story of those who are not able to tell their stories. And if another party came here, that party will distort our history. And it also helps us, talking to you people, helps us to heal those wounds that were inflicted upon us during those years of apartheid. And it also helps us to confront those demons that almost destroyed our lives here on Robben Island. The question is, will I do it again? Yes, if the course is tough, I will do it all over again. So please, when you leave here, I don't want you to feel guilty, unhappy or sad, because a sad person never talks. A happy person always talks, because each one of you will be a messenger of hope and a messenger of forgiveness. And remember, hatred, bitterness and anger leads to self-destruction. If you still hate someone, unlike myself, I can say to you 80%, I did forgive them. 100%, not yet, not yet. But we hope that in the near future, in our lifetime, we too will be able to say to them, we had forgiven you. Any questions, guys? If you are not happy with what I shared with you, it is your democratic right. When you go back, because we do need feedback, because that is the only way we can up our service. Because if you keep quiet, it means that you are content with what we tell you. Some of the bad things that happened to us on Robben Island, we rather prefer to go to the grave with some of those bad things that happened to us on Robben Island. Because if we do tell those bad stories of what happened to us, it means that we will be perpetuating hatred, anger, and bitterness. And that is what we don't want. We want to build a nation, the nation that Nelson Mandela envisaged for this country, where all citizens in South Africa will be able to live in peace and harmony. Thank you, guys. Guys, we go down to Mandela section. There is only a few things down there that I need to say to you. Then I want you to go onto the bus stop, but at the gate down there, that is where my tour will end with you, and another tour guide will take you further around Robben Island. The stories around the island are still too painful for us to take. Thanks.